Welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to another video on Wull on the channel. So guys, we are going to upload with the description of the video. Say this is just a quick intro video for reminding you to like and subscribe. So we are kick it off like this. Buju Banton daughter, share some things to our Instagram, guys, and I'm sure this are go useful to you today. Yeah, so get to know hot cup of tea. You see me? So right now, I should make the post and say my own father, Buju Banton, who I thought was good, who I even defended, tried to kill me. He strangled me and put me out of his home, out of our home, and I have scars to show. I thought he was good. He is not good. Also say, if you can do this to your own blood, if you are this ruthless to your own, what will you do to other people? Tag Buju Banton. I don't want to find out. Question, why Buju daughter would have come out and say something like this? Obviously, it is real, guys. That's just bizarre. Just knowing how a man like this portray himself to people and do them thing to him own. Yes, my guys, this is just a quick update, so no worry on yourself as more latest job, just look out for it. Anyways, peeps, so Macka Diamond finally, break silence in regards to the person what she said beat her with the board and etc. She said, why you all worry about who did it? It's not artists alone abuse people. Suppose I had told you the story about the promoter in Cayman that back his gun in my face nearly killed me. You all need to stop. It's about abuse, not who did it already. Forgive them. Love you, my diamond. So she forgive them. See me, guys, yeah, and she not try to put herself in a no more problem than it is. I see other vloggers have vlog certain thing, me vlog it. Don't take out any problem upon me. Alright, peeps, so last time that girl FS touched the media, it was about giving Skillibeng a jacket. You see me? But however, there's some things she have to diss up Jody and defend her kids said.
When me come birthday, who treat my son? Me can post my baby in a polo, When Uno kill up on yourself for polo, I have a child. So me pretty different, and me think different. Me pretty wiser than Uno, Abby, your son not wear polo. You go buy it now, cause you hear me a talk now. Me make my son know polo. Me and the pop off in go on my son, easy now. Oh, she done that, trim down my son. I'm like, yeah, I'm me alone, I'm me alone, me God. I'm me alone. You get what I say? Me don't get polo, I got designers. Jody, remember good now? Remember? How when the blood clot are going in this? Sister, done. Done, Jody. You hear me? I beg you all on, no? Me a cry peace. Done. Okay, see if my mouth, them fi just lick me with a blood clot stone from my mouth, a beer leakings I go talk. Jody, no done. Me no trouble, no. You first go like Jody. Jody, me I tell you for the last time, cause you full up yourself, cause 92 people up on your life at skin off them teeth. Done. I know them not gonna like me, but me not like them. Done. Jody. Jody, done no blood clot, man. Pass me water, the thick water.
Them black me girl.
Oh, no, put down my water. Enough things not get leaked, What I gotta do? Put out fake things on me. Remember you put up the little picture when me naked, and take it down back, Why you do it, drunk, Why you do it, dead dog? You're fucking illiterate and fucking done. You have the audacity to call me fucking war, and you is a fucking war. You have the audacity to call me whore, and I'm me and you whore down the place. Remember, say our best friend, So if one a whore, two a whore, talk no Jody, man, and stop the fuckery. Stop no girl. On a move, son. On a move like we know wild animal. Dirty big pussy, Abby. When your man not stop beating, I not call the boy name, come and respect him to the ground when I walk pan. Cause one night here, wait now, Dirty big pussy Abby, me not call the boy name with beat you, cause me respect him to the ground when me walk pan, cause me and him Wull and shake and in a blood clot dance, cause them man that all do him, even if him chat about me, he respect me. Nah mention him name. Hold on, no man. Hold on there, Abby. You remember. Abigail drop to your skin. And a people man, you know. People man a beat you, you know. Alright now. May I jump off of Abby? Cause Abby not ready yet. Abby a cheap grand follower. As me say, cheap grand followers. Alright. Jody. Yeah, talk about Skilly never post me. He post me one time, you know. You know, say he post me one time, but you never know him them time there. And yeah, boy never did a come red pan to me, but he make sure send the blood clot money. You get what me I say? Me go jump off of that. Cause me not getting money no more. So me I take out the little boy out of that, cause me and him not in no dealings no more. But just to call him name, me have to go clear it up. Alright, Jody. Remember, said the boy got prison, you know. That are the man yard where they know. Remember, said the boy got prison. And you are find food, yeah, fuck man, you know. And I find food, go get the boy, you know. And the boy post different woman. What you call that? Man government. What you call that? Oh, Baba for postman in a woman in a fucking jail. And you are giving food. Eh? Him not get it a blood clot. Cause of me, that means that the boy don't respect you to the ground. Him don't respect your Jody. Him just a user for the money. Because remember, say you have a man overseas where you're married to when your mother fought. You know, you watch Columbia show them when them have post down the little young girl them pan the old man them for married. At that your mother did do you know. And the man married you, you know. And the man is selling things them and you give back to Bobo, you know, dirty Jody. Talk now. Your mother live in a board house. And me if you make my mother good. Your mother live in a board house, right? Cause you talk about my son, you know, so me feel to talk about anything what me want to talk about as a real G. Me I talk as a real G. I'm not saying like as a starter, you talk about my pitney, I'm never feel pleased about it. And that's why I come back like, I'm gonna let you alone, you know, Jody. Alright. Oh, your mother fee live in a board house. And the one of the bed them flat like bread back. And you there man yard a snap. See good here? Jody, me have to laugh over here now. Me did a friend, you know, but you know me, Jody. Me come here come sleep multiple time, girl. When I turn like a bubble bed comfortable. But my bed comfortable too. Cause you come on my yard. And you fucking sleep on my yard. Why you not like talk your side of the story and then why you not like talk my side of the story and don't talk about your side of the story? I don't like that. You're not playing fair. You're not playing fair, stinking pussy Jody. You're not playing fair, dirty girl. You come up for the live and you make up a bagatti. Me know Abby, you know. Remember, you know me Abby usually go school in Abby line, you know. Abby say me thief. Oh, top girl like me to take 5 grand from Abby. Remember, say, is Alex give you $100 US what day? You know what Alex look for me and tell me, say? Him know, say, nobody not take no money from you. But him just give it because you're hungry. Remember, you say, Lesh, and I me thief the money. But you could get to my friend because he's a real G, you know. You know me not sell out my friend, you know. You sell my friend teeth the 5,000 and you want to know where my friend live and I tell her, no. You come in a Spain. Oh, me for teeth 5 grand from you and come in a Spain and I go work with you. Them time they set me up in a people. I go in a Spain and she said, Lesh, me a borrow a call off your phone. Me attack it as how it go cause I'm a real ass bitch. I'm fucked up with sometime, you know, but I love talk facts. You say you borrow a call cause you can't face me. You say you borrow a call and when you borrow the call, you know say you go home with my phone. When me call you, let's show me want me 5,000. So I say, Abby, I really $5,000 you take what my phone for? Remember saying me take it, you know? She said, well, I want my money. The next day, I say, alright. You see, to my phone value more than $5,000. I go come here for sure, so I'm a pussy wall. And when I come, you count the money, you know, and she say $5 grand. And you give me back the phone and you say, Lesh, I know I you take it.